Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you my first ever Meesho haul. So this video is not sponsored at all. I have purchased all the products with my own money. So I am sharing my honest review with you guys. So if you are interested to know what Meesho is and what the products you get in Meesho and the prices and the availability, all details will be in this video. So if you wanted to know all that, please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, basically after Shein is banned, we all are just in the confused situation that where to buy from and what to not buy from. And guys, obviously we have to admit that Shein have some amazing collection of clothes, and the prices was really very nice and cheap. So we really miss Shein, we all do. But what can you do, guys? We have to support our government, so it's okay. So we have to find some substitute of Shein. So I think that Meesho is one to go for, because Meesho has some amazing collection of western clothes. So it also has some collection of sarees and Indian wears. But I really like to purchase western clothes from Meesho, because I don't normally wear Indian wears. I really wear them in occasions or functions. So now let's quickly see whatever I bought from Meesho. So the first thing which I bought from Meesho is these two crop tops. So this is a yellow crop top and this is a black crop top. So these two are basically crop t-shirts, and both of them retails for 478 rupees only. So the first one is this black crop t-shirt. So it has very nice Donald Duck's eyes printed on the front, and I am in the size S in this one, but I think that it is quite big according to size S. And as you can see, the waist is really wide. So this is not a fitted tee, so it is really very loose at the waistline. So the pattern is like that, and the quality of this is really very nice. It is cotton material as other t-shirts, so the quality is really very nice, and the print is also really nice, and the fit of this crop top is also nice on me. You can surely have a look at the try on haul. So at the back it is completely plain. So that's the first crop top. So if you calculate these two crop tops retails for 250 rupees each, I mean less than that. So the second one is this yellow crop tee, which has written Yes Daddy on it, and it is also in the size S, and at the back it is plain, and the fit of these two t-shirt is really same. So it is also larger at the waistline, it is not fitted. So that's that. So the next item is a very nice purple color crop top. So this is a baggy kind of crop top. As you can see, the bottom is really very wide. So it is like that, and you are getting a white strap at the top, and at the front you are getting a nice print on it. So it is a cat which is printed on the front on the left side. So it has two layers. This is the first one and this is the second one. So it has two layers, and the quality of this is really very soft. This is also cotton material, and guys, this is free size. You don't have any option to choose the size, so it is free size, and I ordered this, and overall it is nice, but it is slightly tighter in my arm area. So but that is completely adjustable, because I am not going to wear this as it is. I will layer it with some shrug or jacket, so that's completely fine. That's a not a big issue. And the straps are also very nice. It has elastic in them. So at the back it is completely plain, and the color of this is really very nice, and it is also available in so many different colors, and all of them has this same cat printed on it. So it is also a very nice top to go for. So the next item is this denim jacket. So this is a white color denim jacket, and this is kind of cropped, not very cropped, but this is kind of cropped, and I'm in the size small in this one, and this fits me perfectly. So it has kind of 3/4 sleeve. It is actually more than 3/4. It comes till here. So at the back it is completely plain, and at the front you are getting pockets. So you are getting 2 front pockets in it, and the buttons of the jacket is really very good quality, and the material is also very thin. This is not thick at all, so you can easily carry this in summers also. So this is a very nice and good quality jacket. At this price point you are getting these amazing jackets, and these are available in many other different colors. So I am surely going to buy the other colors also, because these are so affordable. And the next and the last item is this beautiful top which I am wearing, and this is going to be my favorite of this haul because it is really very nice. This retails for 586 rupees, but trust me guys, it totally justifies the top because it has very nice and huge net sleeves, as you can see. So the sleeves are like this, and it is layered sleeve. So as you can see, it is 2 layers. So this is the first one and this is the second layer, and the sleeve is full sleeve. So guys, it has some nice frills at the front, and it is cinched at the waistline, and then it has a flare at the bottom which gives a very pretty look to it. And the color of this is really very nice. This is lavender color, and I am liking this top a lot. So it is off shoulder in pattern, and you can also wear this like this. If you are not comfortable in wearing off shoulder tops, then you can surely wear this like this, like a normal top. And if you like, you can surely wear it as off shoulder top like this. And it also has a transparent strap to it to give it a little bit more support. I hope you can see that. So it has transparent straps, so you can wear it like this, or you can just put them down if you want. So that's it, and I really love this top, and all the tops are really very nice except the purple one because it is slightly tight at the arm area. So that's that. And guys, this is the favorite top of mine in this haul. It is completely of net, and it has a lots of fabric in it, so it gives a very pretty look. So Meesho is basically a reselling app, so you can just share the pictures of the clothes on your WhatsApp group or with whomever you want to. So you can choose the margin as you want. You can choose it of 10 rupees or 100 rupees or 500 rupees. It's up to you completely. So suppose the top retails for 500 rupees, and if you are sharing the image with your friends or in WhatsApp groups with your families or whomever you want to, you can quote it at 550 rupees or 600 rupees or 700 rupees. It's totally up to you, and Meesho will deliver the product to those persons who like to buy it from you, and then the margin amount will be added in your bank account. So it's that simple. So it is very good for reselling. But if you want to buy some products for yourself from Meesho, then you have to pick one product at one time. You can't add more than one product from different brands or different sellers in your cart. It is really very hectic job because you have to order every product one by one, and then you have to receive the products one by one. You can't receive them all together. So वही कि बार बार ऑर्डर करना पड़ता है और बार बार रिसीव भी करना पड़ता है डिलीवरी बॉय से. ये थोड़ा मतलब प्रॉब्लम लगा मुझे. Otherwise, Meesho is a very nice app because it has some amazing collection and the prices are really very cheap like Shein. So I can surely compare Meesho to Shein because the qualities are also nice according to the price point. So guys, I hope that you like this video, and if you find this useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell notification button next to it, so whenever I upload such videos you will get notified. And also share this video with your friends and do let them know that Shein has a substitute in India. So that's Meesho. And also comment down below what you think of my videos, and if you have any further suggestions for me, please feel free to share those. I will love to know that. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be in the description box below. And these products don't have any links, so we can't share any link of these products from Meesho. So they have codes. So I will try to share the codes of these products in my description box below. So if you want to have a look, you can surely click on that code and you can buy it from there, or you can just download the app of Meesho if you want to buy. So guys, that is it for today. Thanks for watching my video, and until next time, stay happy, stay safe and stay tuned. Bye bye guys.